Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Semrush for market research. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Semrush for market research can provide valuable insights into your industry, competitors, and potential opportunities. Number one thing that you have to remember is to analyze the competitors. All right, so you need to identify key competitors by researching for your brand or the product category, maybe in Google, and noting the companies that appear at the top of the search results. So, for example, we went to Google and we're going to search some of our competitors in the market. And maybe you are into commercial real estate. Type it in. Probably in the US. So these are going to be the competitions, right? LoopNet, Crexy, and CoStar, and all of these. Now, knowing that, okay, I want you to hover now go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the advertising, wherein there is going to be a section that says market analysis. All right. So first thing is click the domain overview right here because we're going to conduct the industry research. Click on it. Now, you might not make sure that we are going to get insights into a strength and weaknesses of our competitor as part of the market research. Now, if we go over again to the Google earlier, the number one result was loopnet.com. So let's try to use that for example. Type it in loopnet.com and press enter. This tool will show you traffic sources like authority score right here. They are scored 1 to 100. The organic search traffic and the paid search traffic, which is going to be 96.9K, but the organic is 4.1, which is a lot. The backlinks, we have a separate video on how to use and get backlinks here that you might want to check. And of course, the insights that you can gain here is the market demand. If your competitors are seeing consistent or growing traffic, suggesting a healthy market demand right here. You see that distribution by country, US primarily is 96%, and the other countries are just a little bit of that. But normally the target is United States. Now from this section, you can understand the content that engages the competitor's audience and can inform your own content and engagement strategies. All right. These are going to be the top organic keywords that your competitors are using. All right. Commercial real estate position is number one, which is really good. Commercial property for sale, number one again. Commercial property for rent, they are number one. And these are going to be the keywords by intent. Right, and the main organic competitors after LoopNet is going to be Crexy, PropertyShark.com, Showcase.com, Redfin, and Zillow.com. All right, these are going to be the top paid keywords used by your competitors. Warehouse, commercial real estate. You see the CPC or cost per click right here. They are using a lot, so they are paying for a user's click on an ad triggered by the given keyword Google Ads. You have all these. And the paid distribution are these graphs. Now, this data provides the strengths and areas of opportunity for your business since you have gained that. Now, what I need you to do after knowing all of this is go to the advertising research, right? Once you've done that, you see these are going to be the estimated traffic and the paid search trends over the course of the last maybe 1 month, right? From November, they top on the peak on December. And these are going to be the paid search positions. All right, LoopNet, warehouse, commercial real estate, business for sale. If you want to export this, it would require you to upgrade to the pro plan. But for now, what I want you to do is copy all of these keywords as part of your market research effort. Maybe save it to a Google Docs or a document or a Microsoft Word, and from there you might want to go to the section, the keywords strategy builder. All right, since you have all of these, for example, commercial real, let's say for example this one, let's copy that. If you go to the, maybe let's try to put in all these letter right here. Go to the keyword strategy builder, because this is going to be an ongoing effort to rank up your website, rank up your keywords, or improve your SEO optimization. All right, you need to enter some keyword, for example, commercial property, warehouses. All right, for now, at the bottom it says choose a topic, which is going to be LoopNet and commercial real estate. Enter the seed keywords right here, and what will happen is you can build a content, create a page on your website for each pillar and some sub page to start bringing traffic to your site. All I'm gonna do is create that list, and if you wanted to know more how to use the keyword strategy builder, you might want to check that in our channel. But heading back again to the advertising dashboard, which covers the market analysis as part of our market research. All right, you also have the PLA research right here under the market analysis. But the thing is, this does not cover our niche in terms of the commercial real estate. So these are going to be kind of like dependent on the industry that you are part in. All right. Now, another option that you can do as part of your market research is going for the market gap analysis. I want you to go to the SEO and click the keyword gap. We have a separate video on how to use this tool right here, but basically this tool allows you to compare your website's performance with the competitors and discover keyword opportunities. For example, this is your website. For example, our website is going to be real estate or deeplabs.com, and our competitor is going to be obviously loopnet.com. You can add up to 3 competitors, and of course you can choose the country that you wanted to and click on compare. All right. Now, what will happen is this tool will allow you to compare your website's performance with competitors and discover opportunities that are not being fully exploited by your competitors, such as this one. All right. You can use the domain analytics right here to explore market trends, the keyword overlap right here for Deeplabs and loopnet.com. This data provides all your market strengths and areas and opportunity for your business. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.